Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are talking vitamin C, specifically 5 common mistakes that all of us could be making when it comes to applying vitamin C as part of our skincare routine. Now, vitamin C is one of the most popular ingredients in skincare, beloved for the fact it can glow up our skin, fade hyperpigmentation, and it even acts as a wonderful antioxidant to protect our skin all day long. But as with everything in skincare, there is a right way and a wrong way to apply vitamin C. We're going to talk about it all in today's video. This is actually part of a series that I'm running here on the channel, helping you guys to not only choose the right products for your skin's needs, but use them correctly to get maximum bang for your buck. I've already spoken about moisturizers and 5 common mistakes there. I'm going to leave a link to that video up there. Vitamin C follows on from that, so let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So this video is going to be a little short, sharp, and to the point because I think sometimes skincare can be a little bit complicated, and I want to simplify it all down so that you guys not only choose the right products, but use them correctly and easily in your skincare routine. If you enjoy the sound of this and want to see more within this series, let me know by reaching down and giving the video a big thumbs up and a like. This really does support me as a content creator because the more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. I'd also love to know what your go-to vitamin C is. Like I say, most of us will have a vitamin C serum somewhere in our skincare routine. So give your favorite brand a shout out and share with me like your vitamin C before and after stories in the comments section below. Because honestly, I do always love to hear from you guys each and every day. So we're going to keep it short, as I said, so let's just delve in with mistake number 1 when it comes to vitamin C, and that is not using one. Now, for years, my skin was super sensitive to pure form ascorbic acid in high strength, so I just thought, I can't use vitamin C, it's not for me, and I did without for the longest time. Then I realised actually there's a vitamin C out there for everyone. It's just about choosing the right one, the right form for your individual skin's needs. If your skin is super resilient, you don't have a lot of sensitivity and it tolerates vitamin C well, then go for a relatively high strength, pure form vitamin C, ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid. That way you'll get the very quickest wins when it comes to the outcomes, and often these are actually cheaper in terms of their formulation. However, if you have a much more sensitive skin type, someone that's prone to redness, irritation, and maybe vitamin C just doesn't work that well with your skin, opt for a vitamin C derivative. These are phenomenal. There's so many on the market. One of my favorites is From The Ordinary with their ascorbyl tetroisopalmitate solution. This is a really potent vitamin C derivative that's so much more gentle than pure form vitamin C, but in the long term, you'll still got really great results when it comes to fading hyperpigmentation and boosting the radiance and glow of the skin. Finally, if you're ridiculously sensitive to vitamin C and you think, honestly, none of them work for you, whichever one you've tried, none of them work, opt for a vitamin C cleanser. Now, because you're rinsing cleansers off, they're not going to be as sensitizing as leave-on serums. You're not going to get the same results because, like I say, you're washing it off, but it's better than nothing when it comes to vitamin C. And one of my favorites is this. This is the Face Theory C Glow Cream Cleanser. Such a great option for people that are really sensitive to vitamin C in serum form, but still want that vitamin C somewhere in their routine. This is a really great option, and just as like a cheeky extra hack, a little extra hack that I'm going to throw in for you guys, if you already use a vitamin C serum that you love and you want to get a little extra benefit from it, just a touch more efficacy, kickstart your routine with this. A quick, gentle dose of vitamin C, following with your vitamin C serum, and you'll definitely get that additional glow up. Now, mistake number 2, and as I do with all these videos, I've got my notes. I'm keeping it formal and official because I do feel passionately about making sure people are using the products that they buy right. There's no point investing in products without knowing how to use them correctly. And I think the second biggest mistake that people make when it comes to vitamin C is fixating on pH. Now, this is something that's been driven by the influencer community here on YouTube. You'd often see people with a little pH dipsticks dipping them into vitamin C serums and saying, no, wrong pH, this one's garbage, it won't work. Actually, that just underscores how little people actually understand about pH, how it works, how it's measured, but also not all things come down to pH when we talk about vitamin C. Now, vitamin C as a molecule can struggle to get into the skin, and so by formulating in a low pH, that will enhance the penetration rate of that vitamin C. However, it's not the only thing that can enhance the penetration rate. There's lots of other ingredients you can use alongside it to enhance the penetration, but you can also use other methods such as using an oil-based formula as opposed to a water-based one. There's lots of things brands can do. So I'd say let's just forget that pH argument. Most good skincare brands retaining vitamin C serums will have formulated with ingredients, pH, other things in mind to make sure that vitamin C is getting to where it needs to be. So you can take something like this. This is the Timeless Vitamin C, one of my personal favorites. This actually has a penetration enhancing ingredient, which is why this just seems to work so well when it comes to, fading hyperpigmentation and getting some really quick wins. Another favorite vitamin C of mine is this. This is the Allies of Skin 20% vitamin C brightening and firming serum. This is actually in a dimethicone base, so you can't actually measure the pH of this, but it doesn't mean that it's not working. This is actually the fastest and most effective vitamin C I have ever used. And like I say, one of those dipsticks dipped into this wouldn't actually give you a pH reading. So let me tell you, just because the pH might not be what some influencer told you 2 years ago, it doesn't mean that your vitamin C is useless and won't work. Let's just go with a brand that we trust and we know is going to formulate a quality blend of different ingredients to maximize and enhance the penetration of that vitamin C. Now, mistake number 3 is not knowing the concentration of your vitamin C. So brands out there, they're shady. They know that vitamin C is popular, so they'll put vitamin C front and center on their marketing, but they often won't tell you what the strength is. You need to know the strength of your vitamin C serum, and that's because vitamin C can be quite sensitizing. So if you've got a more sensitivity-prone skin type, you're going to want to go for a lower concentration. For people that have more resilient skin, you want to go for a higher strength in order to maximize the results. And often, because brands won't tell us what the strength is, it's all a bit of a murky guessing game that we have to play. I'm not about that, so make sure that you invest in a vitamin C that actually tells you the percentage. Front and center, brands that promote honesty and transparency. So a great example I just showcased here, Allies of Skin, 20%. You know what you're getting. When it comes to The Ordinary, every one of their vitamin C's has a strength on it, so you know and can match the individual product to your skin's needs. And of course, when I created my own vitamin C based product, this is the Mad About Skin Multi-Active Super Serum. This has vitamin C alongside so many other active ingredients, 5% concentration. Great all-rounder for sensitive skin that you can even use alongside other vitamin C's if you kind of want to dial up the strength a little bit more. So you could absolutely pair these two together, for example, to get the maximum dose of vitamin C, or just use this in isolation for gentle but very gradual results. It's all about knowing the strength, which I think is key, and I really hope that brands in 2024 will hear that message and be a little bit more open and honest with us. So I'd say yes, know the strength of your vitamin C before you put it on your skin, and that way you can tell if it's going to be right for you. Mistake number 4 is not pairing your vitamin C with other actives. I think because, and influencers here on YouTube, I think are partly to blame for this. We promote vitamin C as like the best skincare ingredient out there. It's phenomenal, it's wonderful, and then people think, okay, well, this is it. This is going to do everything I need. I don't need other actives. In my experience on my own skincare journey, vitamin C works best when layered and paired with other active ingredients. I would actually look out for a serum that has these actives alongside that vitamin C, so you don't have to buy loads of different product. It's kind of all there in one for you. So a great example is if you were to buy this Timeless vitamin C I referenced earlier, this has added antioxidants in. So if you're using a vitamin C primarily as an antioxidant to protect the skin, you're doubling down on the benefits that you're going to see by buying something like this that has other antioxidants alongside that vitamin C. Similarly, if you're using your vitamin C to fade hyperpigmentation, then something like this, which is the Allies of Skin option that I referenced, this actually contains glutathione alongside vitamin C, which is the most potent combination when it comes to fading hyperpigmentation. Such an amazing option, and I love the fact that you've got that glutathione working alongside vitamin C, just double down the benefits. Another favourite that I do always mention, this is the VT Vitalite Riedel Shot. This is the vitamin C version of their Riedel line that you can see behind. Again, in here, you've got glutathione and you've got vitamin C, like with the Allies of Skin one. And this is a great example of pH not being all-encompassing when it comes to how penetrative the vitamin C can actually be, because this uses spicule technology to kind of push that vitamin C in a little bit deeper and get a little bit more results for you. So you don't need the ridiculously low pH in order to achieve those results. Hopefully, like I said, I'm not complicating things. I'm just sharing that by layering and pairing different actives within your vitamin C serum, you really can get enhanced results without having to have a multitude of different products. But yeah, don't just rely on vitamin C. Use it alongside other actives for the very, very best results. Finally, I'm going to say mistake number 5 is not using your vitamin C twice a day. I think because people are always worried that vitamin C will conflict with other things, most of us will just use it on the morning. We'll just use our vitamin C in our AM skincare routine, and then we always miss it out of our evening one. I think that way we're compromising on the results. If you use it twice a day, you're going to necessarily get twice the results. And this is something that I've definitely started doing in the past year. Now, I personally don't use pure form vitamin C twice a day because on an evening, I use high potency retinoids, and using high strength retinoids alongside vitamin C isn't always the best idea. So on a morning, I use my super high strength pure form vitamin C. Then on an evening, I use a vitamin C derivative, which is super gentle, alongside my retinoid, and I still get that enhanced vitamin C experience. So on a morning, I will go with one of these many amazing options, which are my personal favorites, like I say, linked below. And then on an evening, I'll use my own serum, which like I say, has a 5% vitamin C derivative to gently give you that vitamin C fix. Works for you amazingly in the long term, won't sensitize the skin, and can absolutely be paired alongside your tretinoin or other retinoid you happen to be using in the evening. So yeah, this on an evening. One of the others on the morning is for me, vitamin C perfection. And if you did want to try this one out, again, it's linked below. And I've left a little discount code to get you a cheeky little saving off that if you did want to try it out. So yeah. Whatever your blend of different vitamin C's that you use, I think twice a day is the best approach for getting the maximum vitamin C experience and results. So that may have seemed like a whistle-stop tour of vitamin C, but I really want this series to be just that, quick fire, quick wins, hacks and tips for helping you guys to get the maximum results from a range of different skincare ingredients. Today we're focusing on vitamin C. Check out that moisturizer video that I linked earlier, and then we're going to come on to retinoids in the following week. Hopefully on this journey we can all just work a little bit smarter, not necessarily harder when it comes to our skincare routine to get the best results. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.